Hey guys, I'm Brandon from Chengisai. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get 300 plus group links and how to advertise your group links in Zimbabwe on Chengisai. So stay tuned. So what you need to do is to first navigate to your browser, then you type in Chengisai. Chengisai.com. Okay, now when you are on Chengisai website, you need to click on login. Then after you've clicked on login, you need to sign up with the account that you have previously signed up with Chengisai with and the password. So if you're new and you want to sign in with Chengisai, I'm going to put the link on the description on the guide on how you can sign up with Chengisai. So after you have entered your email and your password, you need to click on login. Then after you have logged into Chengisai dashboard, you need to navigate towards an option towards a page called group links. Then you have to click it. Then click on add link. So here on this guide, I'm going to add this link called computer sales, because I sell computer sales in Zimbabwe. Computer sales in Zimbabwe, just that's the name of the group. So on the category option, you need to choose the category of your group link. Right now I'm going to say it's electronic. It's under electronics. I have clicked electronics. So after you've chosen the category, you need to choose the platform whereby the platform from your group link. So here it's WhatsApp. So on the group description, you need to type in the purpose of the group link. Right now I've already written it in my notepad, so what I only need to do is to copy and paste. Then after you have completed the description, you need to paste the WhatsApp link here. So I'm going to grab the WhatsApp link in my notepad. Okay, so let me paste it. Okay, so after I have pasted the link of the WhatsApp group that I want to advertise on Chengisai, now I need to choose the link image. The image of it can be a logo, it can be whatever you want to put. So right now I have a picture that I've downloaded. So here's the picture. Then after that you need to click submit. Okay, perfect. Now the link has been successfully uploaded on Chengisai directory. So to view it, you need to click on this. Yes, the link is already so I'm gonna click back in order for us to view it. So you click on group link, then you click on links. So the link that I have uploaded on Chengisai is under electronics category. So I'm going to click on groups under electronics category. Okay, so this is the group link that I have recently added. So now I have uploaded the group link. So how then do I join the group link? So it's quite simple. So either if you want to share with a friend, you can click on copy, then you can paste whatever you want to do, or you can simply just click join. So after you've clicked join, you can always open your WhatsApp. Right now I'm using WhatsApp web from my computer, so it will automatically pop in. Then you just click on join. Okay, so that's how you can join. So right now I'm going to show you how you can get more groups on Thinkific, the free one that we have promised you. So you need to navigate towards group links, the page group links. Then you need to click on links. Then you scroll down and click buying, selling. So under this category you find many groups of Thinkific. I think there are more than 500 or 300, I'm not sure, but you find group links on your niche on how you can market. So here I'm gonna show you how to join. So simply just click on join, then you open. Okay, oh, this one is already it's already about 257 people, so you cannot join. It's already full. Okay, but you can always find another one that is not full. Let me just join this one for another market. So what I'm doing, you can also do it with your phone, with your browser. So this one is already full. So let me just check here. I think, let's see, Guero market. Oh, okay, this one is already full. Let me just check on something. Okay, Thinkific market 2. Just click on join. Okay, this one is 257, so click on join. Okay, so now I've already joined. So that's how you can advertise. So you can join, then you create your post and advertise whatever you want to advertise. So that's all from this guide. So you can always join Thinkific group on Facebook and post your advert for free. We have over 13,400 people. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.